3, 2, 1, bam! Guys, so I just finished filming that motivational video that I just did. Man, it feels so freaking good to do motivation videos again. God, I missed it so much. Like 2016, that was my shit. Motivation was the stuff that I was known for. Even if I was hated for it, that is what it was for. And bro, I want to bring it back, but better than ever before. So you all know I'm a freak. I'm so freaking weird, but I'm so happy being that way because I'm actually me. Every single day I'll go out there with the mindset that I've got to do something to make my life a reality. I need to make a change, I need to do something different, and that's what I'm going to do in every single one of these vlogs. Because guys, I'm sick of not vlogging anymore. I'm sick of having all this free time, of being spontaneous. Like literally, guys, follow my Instagram, follow my Snapchat, follow my Twitter. I literally don't sleep anymore, and that's not good, so do not copy me, but I literally don't sleep. I will get like a message to come out and I will travel 2 hours just to go out for a night and then come back in the morning. In the last 3 days I've had 7.5 hours sleep, but that's because I'm so outgoing. I'm willing to go past the boundaries to put myself in danger, to go out there and make amazing memories that I want to last a lifetime. And I'm not saying that's the answer, but it works for me, so I'll never give in. Because everything is on point. Crepes are looking Gucci. Shop is all I want until it suits me. Everything is on point. Guys, I'm literally so fucking bored right now, so I'm just gonna go climb a tree. Let's do this. Come on, I'll make it fun, I promise. I've got my Wednesday socks on, thanks to Lydia, who kindly brought me them. Sorry, Rosie Russell. Sorry, Lydia. As much as I trust you guys, I don't trust other people, so you're gonna have to come inside. Someone might take you otherwise. Crazy fans and that, you know? Right, I've got stuff to do. I'm gonna go climb a tree or something, so I'll see you later. Someone said to me, talking to yourself is the first sign of insanity, and I thought, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to my birds. I figured while I'm out today, I should probably take some Instagram photos as well, considering I upload every single freaking day, so please go check them out, because I need the likes. Guys, this scene will be set so perfectly. Like right now, I'm just listening to Ed Sheeran, just walking, and I'm just like, just slowly thinking about life. Damn, man, it's crazy. Also, who likes the OG merch? Anyone remember this? The MS merch that I got made? I meant to give this to people at Summer in the City, but I left it. I forgot it. That's simply it. I forgot it because I'm an idiot. You know what? I'm also an idiot. Okay, there's many reasons, but I'm on the common right now, and the common is filled with fucking snakes, and I fucking hate snakes. Oh, look how freaking creepy this bit is. Oh, sorry buddy, you can come through first if you want. Are you good? 1, 2, 3, bam! Oh my god, you don't know how many photos I've taken of me literally going like that. On we go to the creepy Slenderman forest. Oh shit, my camera. One of us is lonely. Mamma mia, never a bad time, bro. Walking through this forest, I just realised it's good I didn't wear my Maverick merch. This looks like a pretty spot. I'm listening to like such happy music right now, and it's so creepy because forest, literally, since there's so many branches and such a contrasting colour, everywhere you look, it looks like something's moving. And knowing my luck, the man himself is probably in this forest right now. So I'm fucking shitting myself. That's why I'm trying to keep positive. What the fuck was that another? Oh, this looks like a good one. Shit! Ow! Fuck! Yeah, maybe that's not enough for me. Always smiling, guys. Always smile. Guys, the amount of videos that I filmed up here, hang on. All like my motivation videos and stuff, that I've did them all up here. All like my motivation videos and stuff, I did them here with this view behind me. Oh man, it's beautiful, I love it. Oh, I love nature so much. God, I'm a hippie. Ow. Okay, I'm not Logan, I can't do that. Hello? Hey dude, you right? Hi. I don't know how to describe it. I'm behind the forest by my house. Where are you? That was Dan. literally just like, I see, so where are you? And I said, I'm at a forest, bro. And he was like, okay, I'm just unlocking your door. I was like, all right, nice one. Before my camera dies. Yes. Jump over negativity. Fuck that shit. Let's go. Oh no! Fuck! Just as I said that, I stepped in the mud. Oh, my shoes are ruined. No! Oh, they're fucked. So yeah, like Halloween in 2016, me and Beck came to this forest, scared the crap of ourselves by exploring it at midnight, and we saw creepy lights and heard such weird noises, man. It was so scary. I'll do it again this year, but I want to do it a bit further. I want to go somewhere else to push the boundaries, you know. Anyway, I need to run home because Dan's there. And I left my computer unlocked. Oh my god, my search history! My name's Matt Stokes. This is a really bad idea. Rosie Vassalino, I left you in charge. What do? You let strangers in? Guys, I'm filming my outro now because I can make it look absolutely amazing. Always remember, life's short. You got to do something that no one else is doing. Guys, always remember that life's too short to follow the crowd. You got to be different. You got to be proud to be different, and never, ever, ever be afraid to be you. You got one life, so make it count. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Goodbye.